Guys, welcome back to another brand new video. So today in this video I'm going to show you how you can make Instagram reels video into slow-mo. So how to make slow-mo reels video in Instagram. So before starting the videos, I would like to request you please to hit that subscribe button and press the bell icon. So without wasting much more time, let's get started. So basically, first of all, make sure that you update your Instagram app from Google Play Store and App Store or App Store. And then let me just get inside my official Instagram account here. After going to my official Instagram account, let me just show you. Hold on for some time. Okay, here you have to click on your story section on the plus icon, and then let me just get inside this. And here you can see you just need to select reels. After selecting reels, here on the bottom you can see speed. As you can see here, speed, just you need to tap on this 1x. You can see speed 1x. So here if you click on 0.3x, it will be slow-mo. 0.5x, it will be very much slow. And if you go for 1x, 2x or 3x, it will be speed. If you go for 3x, it will be speed video. So this is how you can do that. I hope this video is absolutely helpful for you. Thanks for watching, guys. See you soon on the next video.